meron kasing klase ng leadership. It's called regenerative leadership. Have you heard of it? Regenerative. Ano ba yung kabaliktaran ng regenerative? Yung when you get extractive leadership. You just get from people. Regenerative leadership means whenever we interact, do I help you become better in our conversation? Or do you feel depleted? Yung, kinausap ako ni Boss Michael, ano nangyari? Ayun, sinabon ako ng walang banlawan, no? And then, laglag yung balikat ko, baba ng motivation ko, saan kaya makapag-apply? Di ba? May opening ba doon sa kaibigan mo? Di ba? Versus, nag-usap, ba't masaya ka? Kasi, nasolve yung problema ko. I had a conversation with my boss, nasolve yung problema ka. I know what to do. So, it's about the choices that we make when we communicate, whether we will be extractive or regenerative. Are people better because they have an interaction with us, or are they worse after our interaction? That's a decision you have to make.